Flower's name. Kids learning videos. Rose. This is a rose. Tulip. This is a tulip. Sunflower. This is a sunflower. Daisy. This is a daisy. Marigold. This is a marigold. Daffodil. This is a daffodil. Lily. This is a lily. Poppy. This is a poppy. Hibiscus. This is a hibiscus. Jasmine. This is a jasmine. Morning glory. This is a morning glory. Orchid. This is an orchid. Lotus. This is a lotus. Dandelion. This is a dandelion. Iris. This is an iris. Pansy. This is a pansy. Buttercup. This is a buttercup. Lavender. This is a lavender. Bluebell. This is a bluebell. Calendula. This is a calendula.
Hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe and share for more videos.